Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randy4short or Randy for short, and in today's video we are going to be setting up next week. We're doing a plan with me. So I'm going to get my personal planner page for next week. And I'm going to get my Skinny Classic. Where's the other page of this? Oh. No, July. Okay, so I use my sticker planner to plan out my decorative stickers. So this is going to be for my Skinny Classic for next week. And I really only use icons in my personal planner. So that one's going to be a really quick one. Okay. So July 13th through the 19th is what we'll be planning for. Okay, so I'll move that to the side. I'm just going to do my planner first. Okay, this is my birthday week. My birthday is on the 17th. I am going to start off by checking my monthly calendar and seeing what all I need to add from my monthly calendar to my weekly page. So the 13th through the 19th, let's see, on the 15th is tax day. And for any like holiday type things, I put a star as my icon. And then the 15th is also my husband and I's dating anniversary. Like, we don't really celebrate it anymore just because we are married now and we celebrate our anniversary. But I do like to keep track of the years because I do like to celebrate the milestone years. So, and not nothing extravagant, just like, you know, more of an acknowledgement than anything. So, do you guys keep up with your dating anniversary if you're married? Let me know down in the comments. I don't know, I kind of feel like it's a sentimental thing more than anything. It's definitely not necessary, but hey. I'm trying to decide what icon I want to use because it's we're not going to do anything for it. Usually if I have an event, then I'll use an exclamation mark like this. But again, that's just for events where I have to be somewhere or do something, you know, like go out and get ready for something. But this is more of an acknowledgement. So I'm just going to put, oh, you know what? I'm putting a present because I do use a present for, let me space this out a little bit or offset it, I guess. I do use a present for birthdays and anniversaries. So this is our dating anniversary. So we will have been together for 7 years. 7 years total together and coming up on 3 in September, married. So it went quick. It really did. So I'm going to put a little present for me. I will be turning 31 this year. Woo woo. Let's see. And a little reminder. That my husband shifts and starts a new shift. on this Sunday. Okay. So that's all the plans from here. Now I'm just going to find my little half sheet that keeps all of my weekly tasks. And I'm going to write those really quick. So yeah, just my usual plans. Nothing really, too crazy this week. I don't think we're going to be celebrating my birthday. I think if anything, I'm mostly just going to probably paint my nails. Ask my husband for some time to, some me time just to paint my nails or something small like that. I might try to see if I can get my feet done because in California we went back down a phase, so I'm not sure what is locked down and what's not. So if the salons are locked down, then I'll probably just paint them myself. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get them done at a salon. So now what I'm gonna do is grab my household book. And I am going to look for some icons. I need a trash can. I need a birthday balloon or cupcake or something just to highlight my birthday. And then probably like grocery delivery. I really like this household book. I mean, it's very underutilized as you can see, but I love these black and white icons. That is definitely the wrong day. Maybe I could find like a little credit card. I could use a money sign for my credit card payoff. I mean, that's kind of fitting for the money to be above the trash because it's my credit card payoff and basically just throwing money out the door towards debt. Oh, can't wait to be debt free. Let's see. I could do something for taxes. I do need something for groceries, but I don't know that I'll find. Oh, here goes a grocery shop. It's kind of big, but we'll just use it. Is this pink? Yeah. Like a little grocery shop. I still haven't figured out what to do with this side yet, but in this current week, I did use this for like things that are going on in the planner community, like new releases. So like this current week, Simply Gilded is coming out with 2 releases, and I'm actually going to order my first order on Friday. She got me with the holographic mermaid washi. Yeah, I'm all over that. I need that. So I think that's going to be the beginning of my fall down the Simply Gilded rabbit hole, and I'm here for it. I saw a smaller grocery shop, but I don't know. Can you guys see? Oh, I'll probably let me use like a little food icon or something for the meal prep. I'll put it right here. And then, let's see, I'll look in the budget planner for something about taxes. I know there's something in one of these sticker books about taxes. There's not a lot. There's like a handful of tax related stickers. So let's see if I can find one. These are all icons, so I don't think there's going to be a tax anything. Maybe it's in an accessory book. I'll just pull my little DIY sticker book. as well. Oh, I need to tie this one. This sheet is coming out, but I'll do that later. Oh, we got a little taxes due. Let's do that. So I'm going to put it down here. Okay. Let's see. I don't think I have anything going on Saturday. And that's pretty much all my plans for this week. So I'm just going to leave that as is, and I'm going to pop this back into my planner so that it's ready to go next week. Okay, so that is the setup for next week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.